Imagine this. You're fast asleep, dreaming peacefully, when suddenly a sharp pain shoots through your leg like a bolt of lightning. Your calf tightens, your toes curl, and you're left gasping, helpless, waiting for the pain to pass. Leg cramps, also called Charlie horses, strike millions of seniors every single night. But here is the shocking truth. A simple bite of the right food can stop these cramps in just 90 seconds. Yet most doctors never mention it. My friends, leg cramps are more than just a nuisance. For seniors over 55, they can rob you of precious sleep, leave you limping during the day, and even increase your risk of falls and injuries. Many people try stretching, rubbing, or even walking around at night, but nothing seems to work for long. And while cramps feel sudden, they're usually a warning sign from your body, telling you it's missing certain key nutrients. Sadly, too many people either ignore the cramps or they're told to just drink more water. While hydration is important, it's often not the real solution. The truth is, your muscles depend on a delicate balance of minerals and electrolytes to contract and relax smoothly. When even one of these is missing, your muscles can rebel, tightening painfully and refusing to let go. The good news? You don't need expensive pills, harsh medications, or endless suffering. The answer could be as simple as adding the right foods to your daily routine. So, stay with me until the very end, because today I am going to reveal 7 powerful foods that can stop leg cramps in as little as 90 seconds. These are natural, safe, and backed by science, and you'll probably find most of them in your own kitchen right now. By the time we finish, you'll know exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how these foods can give your muscles the instant relief they're begging for. Food No. 1. Let's start with one of the simplest and most delicious cramp stoppers: bananas. Bananas are famous for being rich in potassium, a mineral your muscles absolutely depend on. Potassium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. When your body runs low, your muscles may tighten up suddenly, causing cramps. That's why athletes often grab a banana before or after a workout. It keeps their muscles calm and cramp-free. Now, here's the best part. Eating a ripe banana can start soothing cramps in as little as 90 seconds because the natural sugars in the fruit help your body absorb the potassium quickly. But wait until you hear about the next food, because it's something sour and it works even faster. Food No. 2. Yes, you heard that right. Pickle juice is a cramp-busting secret that many athletes swear by. And it works wonders for seniors, too. Pickle juice contains both sodium and vinegar. Sodium is an electrolyte your body loses through sweat and normal aging, while vinegar actually helps send signals to your nerves, telling your cramped muscle to relax. In fact, a study found that drinking just a small shot of pickle juice can stop a cramp in under 2 minutes. So the next time a cramp strikes at night, try keeping a little pickle juice in the fridge. It may taste strong, but the relief is almost instant. And speaking of instant relief, our next food is sweet, tangy, and packed with cramp-fighting power. Food No. 3. Tart cherries or tart cherry juice aren't just delicious. They're packed with antioxidants and compounds that reduce inflammation in your muscles. For seniors, inflammation can make cramps worse, especially if you also struggle with arthritis or circulation issues. Drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice before bed can calm your muscles, improve sleep, and dramatically reduce nighttime cramping. Plus, cherries also contain a small amount of potassium and magnesium, which help your muscles relax naturally. But cherries aren't the only fruit that can help. The next one is tropical, refreshing, and perfect for rehydrating your muscles. Food No. 4. Forget sugary sports drinks. Coconut water is Mother Nature's original electrolyte formula. It contains potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium, all the minerals your muscles need to function smoothly. Many seniors don't realize they're slightly dehydrated most of the time, which makes cramps more likely. Coconut water hydrates you while delivering a perfect balance of electrolytes. One glass can stop cramps in minutes and prevent them from coming back later in the night. But if you don't like coconut water, don't worry. The next food is something warm, comforting, and you probably already enjoy it. Food no. Thief. Yes, the glass of milk you grew up with isn't just for strong bones. It is also for strong, relaxed muscles. Calcium is critical for proper muscle contraction. Without enough calcium, muscles can misfire, causing painful spasms. Seniors are especially at risk because calcium absorption decreases with age. A glass of milk, whether dairy or calcium-fortified plant milk, can help restore balance. And here's a tip: drink warm milk at night. Not only does the calcium prevent cramps, but the warmth also relaxes your body, helping you sleep more deeply. Now, if milk isn't your favorite, don't worry. The next food is small, crunchy, and surprisingly powerful against cramps. Food no. 6. Pumpkin seeds may be tiny, but they pack a punch of magnesium, one of the most important minerals for seniors. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral. It helps calm nerves, ease tension, and allows muscles to unclench. Unfortunately, most seniors are deficient in magnesium without even realizing it. That's why cramps, twitching, and restless legs are so common. Just a handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack can give your body the magnesium it needs to stay cramp-free. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or just eat them plain. But I saved the best for last. This next food works like lightning to stop cramps in their tracks. Food no. 7. This one surprises almost everyone. A spoonful of yellow mustard can stop a cramp in 90 seconds or less. Why? Mustard contains vinegar, similar to pickle juice, which triggers nerve receptors in your mouth and throat. These receptors send a signal to your muscles, telling them to relax immediately. The turmeric and other spices in mustard also reduce inflammation. It might sound strange, but many seniors swear by keeping a packet of mustard in their nightstand, ready to use when a cramp wakes them up. So if you've ever woken up in agony, try mustard. It may become your new secret weapon. Let's quickly recap. Leg cramps are your body's way of saying, I am missing something important. And the fastest, safest way to fill in those gaps is through food. Bananas give you potassium. Pickle juice stops cramps instantly with sodium and vinegar. Tart cherries reduce inflammation and improve sleep. Coconut water rehydrates and restores electrolytes. Milk supplies calcium to calm muscles. Pumpkin seeds deliver magnesium to relax your body. And mustard works like lightning to stop cramps in seconds. By adding these 7 foods into your daily routine, you can finally enjoy peaceful nights, energetic days, and freedom from those painful, unexpected cramps. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations at any age. Your body is still capable of healing, relaxing, and thriving. Sometimes, it just needs the right fuel. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It lets me know you found value here. Don't forget to subscribe, because I share simple health secrets for seniors every single week. And tomorrow's tip might just change your life. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 foods will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone.